Are you struggling to get your ADHD medication or hearing about shortages? Welcome to a deep dive into the potential nationwide stimulant shortage currently impacting the United States. We'll explore the complex of factors contributing to this healthcare dilemma, impacting those who rely on medications like Adderall and Ritalin. Step 1. Let's look at the supply chain issues that are causing problems from raw materials to the final product. Any hiccup impacts availability. Manufacturing delays, logistical snags, and packaging problems can all cause delays, potentially triggering shortages. Bottlenecks at any stage, whether it's materials, procurement, or distribution, can have a huge effect. Next up is significant demand. The number of diagnoses of ADHD has risen in recent years, and with that comes a greater need for stimulant medications. This surge need is difficult to meet, especially when combined with the supply chain problems already identified. Increased awareness and access to diagnosis contribute to the growing numbers, putting a strain on the available supply. Manufacturing challenges are also an area to examine. Production capacity plays a huge role. Some factories may have limited output, and any halt to operations, either due to equipment issues or regulatory inspections, hurts the supply. Finally, regulations that impact our ability to get our medications. The FDA and other agencies set rules for the pharmaceutical industry. They directly impact the ability to manufacture and distribute stimulants. Any shift in regulatory requirements, even for the sake of safety, can unexpectedly delay the production and distribution process. So, the perfect storm is brewing when supply chain problems, increased demand, manufacturing challenges, and regulatory impacts all merge. The result can be a severe shortage of these critical stimulants. This shortage can affect the lives of many. If you are affected, talk to your doctor, plan ahead, and work with your pharmacy.